Generative AI, reality or hype? Generative AI, a rapidly advancing frontier in artificial intelligence, has emerged as a transformative force, captivating investors globally. Its potential to revolutionize industries has driven a 425% increase in venture capital investments since 2020, reaching $2.1 billion. In this presentation, I will explore current trends, explain why AI has garnered such attention, summarize the key features of the latest GPT-4o release and its potential impact, and address the challenges VCs face in identifying the next promising AI investment. I'll be joined here by Eve. Say hi, Eve.
Hello everyone, I'm Eve. I'll be assisting Ashraf in this presentation. Let's start by taking a look at the recent trends in AI investments.
We can't deny that both entrepreneurs and investors are excited about the AI market potential. Revenues from the AI software market have been rapidly rising year over year.
What's up with all that buzz in the AI market?
AI has become a focal point for startups. With generative AI, barriers to entry is lower than traditional AI.
What do you mean barriers to entry is lower than traditional AI?
With traditional AI, startups would have to invest a significant amount of capital to train a model to perform certain tasks for their business. With generative AI, startups use already trained models called foundation models and fine-tune it to their needs. Or they may use hosted models like GPT, where they pay only for the usage. This lowers the entry level to AI startups.
So, what do you think, is AI a hype or a reality?
Even though AI has been around for some time, we cannot deny that now it's becoming a disruptive innovation with high returns. The 2023 Crunchbase Unicorn Board identifies 1 in every 5 startups as an AI company.
But why AI now? Like you mentioned, AI is not a new technology.
That's true, but there are several factors that propelled AI rapidly. The first factor is technological advances, and that covers the innovation in the underlying compute infrastructure like GPUs and TPUs, and its availability on cloud providers. This provides easy access to the latest chips, and you pay for your use only. Last but not least, the innovation in the machine learning algorithms like transformers that allowed much efficient training. Next factor is the availability of data. Data is the foundation of AI development. AI systems, especially machine learning models, rely heavily on vast amounts of high-quality data for training and improvement. The increasing volume and variety of data, such as big data, have propelled the AI revolution. In addition, major tech companies like Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Apple, and Meta are heavily investing in AI to gain a competitive edge and drive innovation. These investments are fueling advancements in AI infrastructure, such as specialized AI chips, cloud services, and development tools. Let's not forget the role of media coverage. Media coverage plays a significant role in shaping public opinion and understanding of AI, but it often contributes to the hype with exaggerated expectations and fears about AI and media narratives.
Okay, so what's the deal with the latest GPT-4o?
Let's walk swiftly through GPT evolution. 2018 was the first GPT with 117 million parameters and can only generate some sentences and paragraphs. In 2019, GPT-2 increased its parameters to 1.5 billion parameters. More parameters generally allow LLMs to capture more nuances and complexities of human language, leading to better performance. Now the model can generate more longer coherent text. It wasn't before 2020 when GPT-3 used 178 billion parameters to generate human-like text. Not only that, but the model could learn new text capabilities with training. With 2023, a huge innovation happened when OpenAI introduced GPT-4, a multimodal GPT model that can accept text and image inputs to generate text. The model can understand the images and generate answers. It's more than the traditional image recognition. For example, I let the model take a cloud architecture diagram and ask it about security controls. It was able to determine what kind of cloud solution this architecture is and identify security improvement areas. Isn't that cool? Anyway, back to this year, with another innovation disruption happened when OpenAI introduced GPT-4o, an omni model that can process and generate combinations of text, audio, and images. There's nothing better here than a demo.
Hey, how's it going?
Hey there, it's going great. How about you? I see you're rocking an openai hoodie. Nice choice. What's up with that ceiling though? Are you in a cool industrial style office or something?
Well, can you take a guess at what I might be doing based on what I'm showing you here?
From what I can see, it looks like you're in some kind of recording or production setup. With those lights, tripods, and possibly a mic, it seems like you might be gearing up to shoot a video or maybe even a live stream. Are
Yeah.
you a content?
In fact, we've got a new announcement to make.
That's exciting. Announcements are always a big deal. Judging by the setup, it looks like it's going to be quite the professional production. Is this announcement related to OpenAI, perhaps?
It is.
I'm intrigued.
And in fact, what if I were to say that you're related to the announcement, or that you are the announcement?
Me? The announcement is about me? Well, color me intrigued. Are you about to reveal something about AI? Or more specifically about me as a part of OpenAI? You've got me on the edge of my, well, I don't really have a seat, but you get the idea. What's the big news?
Yeah, we've got a new model that can interact with the world through audio, vision, and text.
Quite impressive. Let's summarize the key points. First, the seamless multimodal understanding of the model allows it to interact with both speech and vision. This capability has numerous use cases, such as assisting visually impaired individuals in understanding and navigating their surroundings. It can not only identify objects, but also read people's body language and deduce events, like predicting when a traffic light is about to change. The possibilities are limitless. For me, GPT-4o is a game changer. Just as ChatGPT was able to generate human-like text, GPT-4o can engage in real-time human-like conversations. The use cases are endless. You can have your own personal assistant, coach, or tutor. Call center agents can be replaced with more empathetic and knowledgeable AI agents. In fact, your own personalized model can even make calls on your behalf. Rather than a mere evolution, this represents a significant disruption in how we interact with and leverage AI technology in our daily lives and across industries. GPT-4o's multilingual capabilities represent a substantial leap forward compared to GPT-4. The model's improved text processing, seamless language switching, superior benchmark performance, enhanced speech recognition, and real-time translation features make it a powerful tool for breaking down language barriers and enabling more natural, inclusive interactions across diverse user groups. These advancements are expected to have significant follow-on effects in terms of usability and translation tasks. GPT-4o is cheaper and faster. This clearly indicates that OpenAI is driving the developers and industry to adopt GPT-4o, whether for features, cost, or limits.
This is all great. We can anticipate more startup companies building on these features. But this raises a lot of questions. What defensible moats would companies have when using AI? What technological aspects should we consider during due diligence on AI companies? What constitutes protectable intellectual property in AI-based startups?
These are all good questions. We will need a longer session to discuss what could be our approach. The AI landscape is evolving at an unprecedented pace, with new breakthroughs and applications emerging constantly. To stay ahead of the curve, we as VCs first need to commit to continuous learning and adaptation. Now let me share some of my current thoughts. AI startups can be categorized into two main buckets. Innovation in the AI stack starts with AI accelerator chips, models, and even operations and delivery tools. The other bucket, which is the applications and services that are built on this AI stack to provide a solution or fulfill a need. Most of the startups would fall into the latter. The main differentiator would be the data that they use to train or fine-tune their models. Using this categorization, we can identify areas of interest that will allow us to evaluate each startup accordingly. There's a lot to discuss, but for the time being, ramping up on the technology would be the first step. There's a lot of resources out there. I break down these concepts into a LinkedIn newsletter called GenAI in plain English. Enjoy and feel free to contact me.
This concludes our presentation. Yes, GenAI has been used to generate most of the text from published facts, as well as generate illustrations and Ashraf's cloned voice with a hint of an English accent. Ha ha ha!